Change the words with short vowels to long vowels. Here are some words with the short vowel sound. Practice saying these words, add E to these words and say the words. Short A and I changes to long A and long I when you add E at the end of the word. Fat, rat, pin, kit. Short A words, long A words. At, ate, can, gain. Fat, fate. Pan, pain. Man, main. Tap, tape. Cap, cape. Rat, rate. Mad, mate. Short I words, long I words. Bit, bite. Hid, hide. Pin, pine. Dim, dime. Fin, fine. Kit, kite. Rip, ripe. Rid, ride. Sit, sight.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.